Welcome to this month's Nature's Calling. I'm Lucas Bond with the Missouri Department of Conservation. June is a great time to be outdoors enjoying spring and summer, but be sure to watch where you step because you might find yourself in an itchy mess. Poison ivy can be found in every Missouri county and every type of habitat. Poison ivy comes in many shapes and sizes, but usually as a vine or a low shrub. The best way to avoid the native plant is to know what it looks like.
One interesting thing about poison ivy is that all parts are poisonous, the leaves, stems, and even the roots. An easy way to identify poison ivy is look at the stalk on the middle leaf. It's a lot longer than the stalks on each leaf on each side. So a good expression for people to remember is, leaves of 3, leave it be.
While you're exploring some of your favorite birding locations on the Great Missouri Birding Trail, you may come across some of nature's helicopters, better known as the ruby-throated hummingbird. This unique bird can be found throughout the state, and there are no other birds capable of backward and forward hovering that these birds have mastered. Like a helicopter, hummingbirds beat their wings on a horizontal plane, averaging 50 to 70 beats per second. Ruby-throated hummingbirds migrate here in early April and stay until mid-August before making the long trip back to the southern part of Florida or Mexico. Hummingbirds are often spotted around flowering plants or hummingbird feeders. They're great pollinators for many plants. Something else you may see while you're outside enjoying the outdoors are baby animals. Although cute and cuddly, the Missouri Department of Conservation encourages you to leave baby animals alone. You may not see an animal's mother, but she is almost always nearby waiting for a safe time to return to her young. It is not practical or even desirable that native wildlife species be captured by people and raised for later release into the wild. It typically leads to animals that are not fit to survive on their own. Plus, it's illegal to keep wildlife in captivity without a proper permit. Good intentions usually lead to unhappy endings. Enjoy nature, but leave it where it belongs. For more information on poison ivy, the ruby-throated hummingbird, and young wildlife, visit mdc.mo.gov. Thanks for watching, and remember, nature's calling. Get out and enjoy Missouri's outdoors.